Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Useful and tasty coffee alternatives. Are you addicted to coffee? Most of us need our morning portion of coffee to start our day. Now we know about the amazing benefits of coffee for health, but too much can be harmful. Excessive consumption of coffee can affect the digestive system, increase heart rate and dependence on caffeine. The best way to relieve dependence on caffeine is to gradually reduce consumption. Instead of drinking 6 cups of coffee, cut it to 3. To reduce the desire to drink coffee, you need to find a healthier alternative. Here are some useful and tasty coffee alternatives. Probiotic drinks. Probiotic drinks contain good bacteria that help digestive disorders. This helps to balance the bacteria in the intestines that have been affected by excessive caffeine or taken antibiotics. Probiotic drinks can help boost the immune system, balance the digestive system and maintain the intestines. Probiotic drinks can come in a sparkling form of a drink or a form of juice. Coconut water. Coconut water contains a large number of electrolytes and bioactive enzymes. Coconut water is great for restoring energy after a tiring day at work. Sparkling water. Carbonated water is an excellent alternative to coffee if you are a type of person who gets bored with water. Find water that is naturally flavored or contains fruit extracts. Carbonated water that does not contain sugar is great for refreshing the body after a tiring day at work or at school. This is great for hydration without caffeine. Avoid carbonated water, filled with sugar and artificial flavors. Tea. Tea contains caffeine, but not so much as coffee. Different teas contain different health benefits. Chamomile is great for relaxing the mind. Green tea is known for increasing metabolism. Peppermint tea is stunning to improve bowel movements and digestion. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.